Winter sowing containers are filled with snow on the top on a wintry day. This is what the beauty of winter sowing. The seeds and seedlings are covered with the snow over the dome of the container, and they are going to remain there. The snow is coming heavy down. I just wanted to show how the winter sowing containers can be covered with the snow, and that won't affect them at all. That's why it is called the winter sowing. Calming Habitat Diaries. Winter sowing containers on winter day. And a snowy day. Have a nice day.